Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Shopify store. Let's get started. So in order to do that, what you can do is you can click on your settings options right here. Now under the settings option, you should be able to see this plan right here. So click on plan. And then from in there, we can just head over and click on cancel right here. So when you click on this cancel right here, your store will be deactivated. And once your store has been deactivated, it will be deleted and it will be restored only if you actually had another plan that you want to subscribe into. So in here, I have all of my store. So this is my store right now. And in here, we see it's inactive stores. So inactive stores will be put in here once they're actually been disabled from the plan that they are subscribed into. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.